to my channel. It's Porsha Marie here, and we're back with another makeup tutorial. Today we will be using Drugstore products, so if you want to see how I got this face, continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out. Let's get on with the video. Okay, y'all, so in today's video, we are going to be playing in some drugstore makeup. I haven't really done this on this channel, so we're just going to go ahead and get straight into it. So the first thing I want to do is show y'all this lip gloss. This is by Essence. This is the Extreme Shine Volume Lip Gloss, and it's everything. Okay, get you right and tight. Next, we're gonna go in with this moisturizer. This is the Halo Hydration, and it's by E.l.f. It did used to come in a little container, but now it has it in a squeezy tube. So I'm like, let's get her, you know? So we're about to apply some of this on my face. Yeah, so we don't have nothing on the face. I already have my eyelashes and my eyebrows done, but everything else is going to be drugstore. So we're going to go in with the Daily Moisturizer. Okay, and look just like this. And I do have dry skin. If you don't know, if you're new to my channel, I do have dry skin. And this is something that I will apply on the daily. Okay, girls? Okay, in this moisturizer, it has hyaluronic acid, jojoba seed oil, and vitamin E. So this is good. Okay, if you haven't watched my channel before, I have been loving this L'Oreal Lumi Glow from the drugstore. It is one of my favorites. And we're just going to add a little bit of that because I do like a glow underneath my makeup. And it also helps with my dry skin. Anything that gives hydration, I'm here for it. Okay, so the girls have been talking about this primer. These two primers. I already have used the E.l.f. primer. This is the Power Grip primer on my channel. So I want to try this NYX Plump, Plump Right Back with electrolytes. So it's a plumping serum and it's a primer. So let's open her up and let's see what she's about. Let's see if she's smooth. Let's see. Okay. Gel-like consistency. I'm just going to add that to the cheeks. She feels pretty good, hydrating. Okay. It just feels like a hydrating primer. It feels like the Power Grip, but it just has, you know, properties of a serum and a primer. Okay, love that. We're going to go into one of my favorite drugstore products, and this is the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop. I have Mocha and Sienna, and I think Sienna should be okay for me today. So we're going to go ahead and apply Sienna. Okay, we're going to go ahead and go in with Sienna. I just have a flat brush, and I'm just going to apply it to my face. me just pour some on the back of my hand. And this is a matte foundation, if you don't know. That's why I went in with the moisturizer and the glow, for we can have a nice amount of moisture underneath to protect that layer of skin. Okay, and I'm going to go in with this Morphe E63 brush. And I'm just going to blend this out, y'all. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of this 360. So I want it to be a little bit more warmer on my face. So we're going to add a little bit of that 360 Mocha. And we're just going to blend it out. Okay, so this is how the face is looking with just the two foundations right now. I do have my Morphe concealers. I love these concealers. I haven't used them in a while. But as I remembered, these concealers are very good. But we also have the NYX Bear With Me concealer. So we're just going to go ahead and go in with this. And I do have this in the shade Deep Golden and also in Sand. So 2 pumps of Deep Golden, 1 pump of Sand. And we're just going to use this concealer brush and we're just going to mix the two on the back of my hand. Deep Golden, Sand. And we're just going to add that to the face to get that perfect highlight shade, close to perfect. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this Born to Glow. This is a radiant concealer. What shade is this? Deep? Yeah, this is in the shade Deep. And I'm going to bronze with this. Okay, that's how it's looking. But if you cannot find this one in store, the Pretty Fresh one, the Pretty Fresh and what shade is this? Dark 200. The Pretty Fresh one in Dark 200 is a pretty good one. In the Make It Revolution in C16, and also Juvia's Place and Katsina, all are good bronzer sticks. Okay, we are gonna go in with a little bit of Katsina just for I can show y'all that you can use this as well. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and blend this out. Did I hear a child? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and blend this out, you guys. And it doesn't take that much to blend out because this is very creamy. Then I'm just gonna take something smaller. And do the nose. Cause y'all know, I'm gonna do my nose. I'm gonna snatch that nose as much as I can. Then we're just gonna blend this out. This is a Real Techniques brush. You can find this in Ulta. And this is the 421. Looks like this. It's have a slant to it. And we're just going to press that in. Y'all, it is raining. Okay. Everything looked pressed in. Okay, and to set the face, we're gonna go in with this Morphe. This is the Brightening Pink powder, so I'm just gonna go ahead and set the face. And I'm gonna go in with my E.l.f. This is a powder puff sponge. Next, we're gonna go in with this NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop powder in the shade Tan. And we're just gonna go underneath the eyes. Ooh, that's a lot. Next, we're going to go in with the same powder in Mocha. First, I'm going to dust some of this away. There we go. There we go, y'all. Then we're going to go in with Mocha. And we're just going to do that on the perimeter of our face. To add that color right back. Okay, I do have this little E.l.f. powder. It's in the shade Coconut. That's what I'm going to use to bronze. I'm going to go in with my Juvia's Place. This is in Tan. I'm just mixing both of those colors. I'm just going to place that on my cheeks. Okay, next I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Place blush in volume 4. I know y'all seen this everywhere, and this is a good blush. And I'm just going to mix them together. Okay, that's that. Okay, so this is the face. I have the blush, the concealer, this the NYX powders. Okay, so next we're just gonna go ahead and spray our face before we start on the lips. Okay, and this is the Morphe Luminous Mist. And then we also gonna go in with the continuous one. Okay, so the face is a mist. Okay, this is a new lip liner from NYX. This is the Line Loud. This is in Rebel Kind. This was out for a while, but I finally got my hands on it. So let's see what she's about. I'm gonna open her. Okay, I finally got it open, y'all. Finally got it open. Okay, and this is the shade. It's a nice brown shade. So let's go ahead and place that on the lips. Okay, so that's on the lips. Next, we're gonna go in with this NYX Suede matte lipstick. This is Dainty Daze. Let me show y'all how it looks. Okay, it's like a pinky nude. Okay, that's cute. Pinky nude. Then I've been seeing this E.l.f. lip plumping gloss. I got mine in, what's this? Pink Cosmo. So we're gonna put that right on top of this lip, y'all. If I can open it. Why do they make everything so hard to open nowadays? Peel this, peel that. Just give me the product. Okay. Like I was saying, this is Pink Cosmo. See, it's like a milky with some sprinkles reflex in it. So let's see. Why is my camera doing that? Okay. Okay. This is cute. This is cute. We can go in with some Juvia's Place Baked Highlight. If you want a little bit of a shimmer bimmer. Okay. It's this one. Okay, that's just what I added to my face. Do y'all like it? Do y'all like it? Okay, anyways, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to, you can leave a comment down below.